Rakesh Solanki, Managing Director for VARGUS India. Here at EMO Hannover, we are exhibiting our VARGUS range of products. When I talk about India, an emerging market, our customers' demand has been changed. Lots of exports have been increased from India to whole globe, and this has increased the demand for the quality of the product, the productivity in machining, and efficiency in terms of cost economics. And for this, it is very important for VARGUS to time develop the new technological products to satisfy our valuable customers' needs. And for this reason, here in EMO, we are exhibiting our latest technological products from threading, because when say VARGUS, VARGUS is a threading, and threading means VARGUS. But we have changed our slogan. Now we are much more than threading. We have evolved lots of innovations in our range of products, which I would like to bring you table to table, and you will see what are the products we have launched in and we have showcased during this EMO. One of the highlight I would like to mention is the Mac line. We have Mac TT, thread turning, Mac TM, thread milling. And with this particular product, we are setting up the standards of machining of threading. I would urge all of you to please look into this particular product line. With these products, I'm pretty sure that you will increase your machining efficiency. I'm very sure on this. Thank you very much.